Happy first birthday to our YouTube channel. Today, we've got a special treat for you as we dive into the world of personal assistants. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting, this video is packed with tips and tricks to help you become the most effective personal assistant you can be. Understanding the role. Being an effective personal assistant starts with a deep understanding of the role you play within an organization, or for an individual. Here, we'll break down the key aspects that define the role of a personal assistant, and provide insights into how you can excel in this crucial position. Defining the personal assistant role. Start by exploring the core responsibilities of a personal assistant. This includes managing schedules, handling correspondence, coordinating meetings, and providing administrative support. Understanding the broad spectrum of tasks will give you a comprehensive view of what's expected in your role. Building a strong professional relationship. Personal assistants often work closely with executives, managers, or individuals they are assisting. Learn the importance of building a strong and professional relationship with your employer. Discover effective communication strategies, the value of discretion, and how to anticipate needs to enhance your working relationship. Confidentiality and trust. Delve into the critical aspect of confidentiality. Personal assistants are often privy to sensitive information, and establishing trust is paramount. Learn how to handle confidential matters with discretion, maintain confidentiality, and navigate ethical considerations within the professional realm. Adaptability and flexibility. The life of a personal assistant can be dynamic and unpredictable. Explore the need for adaptability and flexibility in handling various tasks, managing unexpected changes in schedules, and embracing new challenges. Discover strategies to stay agile, and maintain a proactive mindset in the face of uncertainties. Professionalism and image. Understand the importance of maintaining a professional image as a personal assistant. Learn how your actions, appearance, and communication contribute to the overall perception of yourself, and the person you are assisting. Discover tips for balancing a friendly and approachable demeanor with maintaining a high level of professionalism. Goal alignment. Align your goals with the goals of the person or organization you are assisting. Recognize the significance of understanding overarching objectives, and how your role contributes to achieving them. Learn to prioritize tasks based on these goals, ensuring your efforts are strategically aligned with the bigger picture. Continuous learning. The role of a personal assistant is dynamic, and staying relevant requires continuous learning. Explore the importance of keeping up with industry trends, technological advancements, and professional development opportunities. Discover resources and strategies to expand your skill set and stay ahead in your role. Effective time management is the backbone of being a successful personal assistant. Here, we will explore the art of mastering time to enhance productivity, meet deadlines, and ensure smooth operations. Time is a finite resource, and as a personal assistant, your ability to manage it efficiently is key to your success. Prioritizing tasks. Begin by understanding the importance of prioritization. Not all tasks are created equal, and some hold more weight than others. Learn how to assess and categorize tasks based on urgency, importance, and impact. Discover strategies for creating a task hierarchy that allows you to focus on high priority items first. Setting realistic deadlines. Explore the art of setting realistic deadlines. Understand the time required for different types of tasks and develop a keen sense of estimating how long each activity will take. Learn to communicate effectively with your employer or team to negotiate deadlines that are both achievable and realistic. Utilizing time blocking techniques. Time blocking is a powerful technique that involves allocating specific blocks of time to different tasks, or types of work. Dive into the world of time blocking and discover how it can enhance focus, minimize distractions, and create a structured workday. Learn to implement this technique to maximize your productivity. The Pomodoro Technique. Explore the Pomodoro Technique, a time management method that involves breaking your work into intervals, traditionally 25 minutes in length, separated by short breaks. Understand how this technique can boost concentration, prevent burnout, and improve overall time efficiency. Harnessing the power of technology. Technology can be your greatest ally in time management. Explore various tools and apps designed to streamline your tasks, manage schedules, and enhance collaboration. From calendar applications to project management tools, discover how technology can revolutionize the way you manage your time. Delegating effectively. Recognize the importance of delegation in time management. As a personal assistant, you may have tasks that can be efficiently handled by others. Learn how to assess when to delegate, identify the right individuals for the task, and communicate expectations clearly to ensure successful outcomes. Time management pitfalls to avoid. Understand common time management pitfalls and how to avoid them. From procrastination to overcommitting, explore strategies to overcome challenges and maintain a proactive approach to your workload. Learn to recognize and address factors that may hinder your time management efforts. Congratulations on reaching the end of our guide on becoming an effective personal assistant. Armed with these insights and strategies, you're well on your way to mastering the art of personal assistance. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with fellow personal assistants or anyone looking to enhance their professional skills. Thank you for a fantastic year, and here's to many more filled with learning, growth, and success.